Hey y'all, about to record me burping from drinking Coca-Cola.
Hey, I'm his friend. I mean, his cousin.
That's Jace.
Yep.
It's the rebuilding protocol.
Yo. But anyways, you've probably seen my YouTube channel. Anyways, make sure to like and
You have
subscribe.
a YouTube channel?
Yeah. I'm surprised you haven't seen it, but you guys probably see my YouTube channel. You should like and subscribe to it. But first, subscribe to his channel because he's just starting. So,
How do you know I have a channel?
because you're recording a video.
Fair enough.
Yep. My YouTube channel is Jace Griffith. And then go subscribe to it.
He's got good videos, by the way.
Yep. I will have a very good YouTube channel.
They're really cool.
I've got a very good YouTube channel, and so does he.
His YouTube channel is way better than mine. If you were to check out my videos, my Void account, you would probably find yourself nowhere. Mainly because of the fact that my microphone stopped working, so I can't use it anymore. You can't hear my voice in my videos anymore.
Oh. But anyways, please subscribe to all the channels that we create and all the videos. Just like every single one and subscribe to
Even if you can't hear it.
Yep.
I really need subscribers because I want to go live someday.
I have 78 or something.
So you have enough to go live?
Maybe. I don't know.
I have one.
Yeah.
Sad boy. My videos are pretty stupid, so.
Don't say that. You could get famous one day. You could get like 12,000 views, 8,000.
Guys, look! It's my drink holder.
Did you know Bruno Mars wasn't from Mars?
Mm-hmm.
Did you know that Pringles were called Pringles because somebody called them Pringles?
True stuff.
Did you know that roses were a plant because somebody made them a plant?
How have we only been recording, crew? Almost 3 minutes.
I don't know.
How does an actual YouTuber do 40?
Yeah, some YouTubers do like 69 or 96. Yeah.
Good example.
And make sure there's no more Among Us memes a lot because for Minecraft, and especially Minecraft,
I'm okay.
because this YouTuber that plays Minecraft is called Preston Plays, and then he
Preston Plays,
always,
yeah. Or TVNR frags.
and he, yeah. Excuse me, guys.
That's the sole purpose of this video.
Yeah, yeah, burping. Just like,
I remember once I was with a friend. Well, 2 friends. I can't say names, though. But, so we were trying to see.
I'm gonna tell us our personal information. Oh, our house number is.
It's 847.
That's not. Is that actually your? It better not be, because they're probably gonna arrive to your house.
You guys wouldn't do that. Right? Let's hope not.
Hopefully, my address is 180,000, 8,000, 1 billion, 1 billion, 1 billion, 1 billion.
By the way, I'm going to edit half of this stuff out. So, my address is actually... Yes, that will be edited. So that you cannot tell what our address is. He's insane.
make sure he doesn't hear this, and don't tell
Magic buttons?
him.
How?
No, I wasn't doing anything. Excuse me.
Okay.
Excuse me. Hey guys, I want to kiss you.